If you think negatively, then things can happen. You have to be as positive as you can, and believe you're going to win every game. And there's a real buzz around the place. We know that we now have to deliver. I think this is a generation we feel like we've talked about it. We need to try and deliver without putting too much pressure on ourselves. I think we want to have a real go. We've come off the back of watching the World Cup and seeing people at major tournaments. You want to have a right go at it, and we've had the chance this time to get off to play in Andorra, to get off to a good start. I love coming to Wales every time I come, and I want to play for my country, and I'm enjoying my football at the moment, and that's the key. But for me, yeah, it's one of them things where there's going to be competition at club and country level for the rest of my career. Probably that's the way it works now. Especially in Wales now, we've got nearly all our players are playing at the top level, which it wasn't like a few years ago, as you'll all know. So now there's real competition all over the park. There's 2 players in every position. So you've got to be at your best at club football and hope come the country time that you get picked. It's a big game for us. It's obviously a big game for them, but we know if we're at our best, we'll get the right result. We want to do well at Andorra. We want to pull the crowds back in. We're always saying, Cardiff get full stadiums, Swansea get full stadiums, but we can't seem to pull them in for Wales games with some of the best players in the world. And we need to do that. We need to get the results to now make people want to come back and watch, and get the kids in and everything, which is big for us. We need that support, but we need to give them something to shout about.